This is a Russell Hobbs cordless kettle that I use a lot, and the family uses it all the time. Now, this is the model number Russell Hobbs 260-26053. Now, 1.7 liter full capacity, and you can make up to 6 cups of tea or coffee. Has internal filters, so just boil some water. As you can see, this internal filter here, I better be careful because I've just turned it on. And the fantastic thing about this kettle, it has plastic coating, so if you accidentally touch it, it's not going to burn your hand. So there we are. Look, I can hold it for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds before I feel the really warmth or hot heat. So it has a clear lit window. You can see it gives you a blue light effect. And let me show you the effect. Let's turn the lights off here and turn the kettle on. There we are. Yes, as you can see, a lovely effect. Okay, and it takes roughly less than a minute to boil one cup of water. 6 cups under 2.5 minutes, I think, something like that. So it's a brilliant kettle, and you are not going to be disappointed. And it looks smart, really cool, grey color, really smart. Has a kind of bark shape pattern on it, or crocodile scale type, or snake style, whatever you like to call it. Beautiful. I think they come in white and this color, grey. Now I will leave a link under the video, you can go and check it out. Now, if you do purchase anything from going through my link, I will earn a bit of commission. So we always use Russell Hobbs. We've been using them for many years now, and it does the job. We have a family is quite large, so when we have the friends and relatives come over, we stick this in. It does help having a large kettle. So ideally, if you're thinking of buying one, check it out. Okay, so now I'm going to make myself a lovely cup of tea.